Hey, welcome back to the channel. My partner challenged me to make something I actually haven't made before. So the rule is that it had to spin, but not like any fidget spinner like this. Something unique, something I haven't made before that wasn't a holder or organizer or earrings, because I've done a lot of those, but I like them. Anyway, I wanted to challenge myself though for a long time. So I've been indecisive on what to do. So I accepted the challenge and got to brainstorming. At first he said push to spin, which completely threw me for a loop because I don't really feel like I'm there in my designing skills yet. Then he added or flick to spin, and I could definitely wrap my head around that one. So I got to designing, and keeping the design simple, since this is my first attempt, was the real challenge in my opinion. And ending up with this design for the spinning pieces and testing the rotation in software, we decided we had to make the base a little bit bigger to hopefully have a successful spin. To help with that, we need a flicker, so we'll extrude the outer edge and add that in quick. And there we go. Now the design is done. It's time to print all 4 pieces. After about an hour and a half of printing, it's finally time to put this flicker spinner together and see if it works. Oh, let's try that again. There we go. Well, for my first flick to spin contraption, I guess you can say, it definitely showed promise, but can have room for improvement. It actually did work a lot better than I expected it to. But what do you think? Is there anything that you would change about it? And if you have any tips and tricks on what improvements you would make to it and how I could make this better, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.